Sénégal a fait et goua wana mien mais mon gars va venir Jésus Evini mau unata wi mo we o saikwe ni mau unata wi mo we o saikwe eva ni mae ayi mi unu me o eva ni mae ayi mi unu me o eva ni mae ayi mi unu me o Boki
Èyọ́ náírà mẹ́ kó yọ bàbá wí mọ́ mọ́sẹ́. Ayé mi ẹ̀rù mẹ́ o. Èyọ́ náírà mẹ́ kó yọ bàbá wí mọ́ mọ́sẹ́. Sẹ́mi wẹ́sẹ̀ ẹgbẹ́ sídi nínú wá pé ní wọ́n inú wá pé nù wẹ́sẹ̀ àwọn ṣe dà. Wẹ́sẹ̀ ọ̀tẹ̀mẹ́ ìwọ̀n nínú pé ní sàádébàwẹ̀. Ọ̀sẹ̀ nẹ́gíà èrè ọ̀rẹ́ ìyá ẹ̀ ó bọ́pọ̀ ṣe ọ̀rẹ́ wíra ọ̀rẹ́ bí yọ ọ̀rẹ́ bọ́ sí èyíà ẹ̀nà òtòsà ó bọ́ apá yọ̀mìọ̀mọ̀ afáwínú ta ẹni. Yọ̀mìọ̀mọ̀ afá alágẹ̀lẹ̀ mi ẹ̀ má tàùtà sọ́ba wàgẹ̀lẹ̀ mi ẹ̀ fà. My people, how una dey? Na good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anyway, wey una dey, God go dey bless una. Abeg, make una subscribe to my channel. Na me una sister, na just press that red button. Na me una sister, Princess Benedicta Okoji alias Lady B. Talk as you see am. I wan dey take comot, I wan dey add journal. Na as I see am, now I dey tell you. As e dey hot for inside soup or hair, wamoyo talk, wey no ya turning, na till dey bring am come for una. If you want make I tap those one come for you, call me in person. You go see the number for that place. Call me in person, I go tap it for you. Kind people where I want to talk to today, because this matter, it dey bubble me with gbe somehow. Now see me, I can't tell now. Make una go ask me of that bubble with gbe. So the matter I want to talk today, my sister, my brother, before I start, I beg, just press that red button. Bangala. As you press and God will bless you. And just give me some finger. Make my petrol no finish you. I beg. Just give me top. When you give me top hand like this, me say my body going to make me jelly. I beg. So what do you want to talk today? Now, so many things I want to talk today. I wear danger for that particular person. What I want to talk today now come be this. I beg una, make una hear, make una hear. I want to ask our mama. What make me call her our mama? Na cause so if I call you mama, you say na cause. I want to ask you be say. I want to speak to Bianca Obiano and Bianca Ojukwu. So what I want to talk today now be this. Now be about this woman I'll call a woman. Na woman I be. If I call you mama, na cause so I don't want to call you mama. Na woman. You see, then they call say a woman or pass nuru. They only do me. You don't serve. Now as God one time say make you serve. If now God say only one day you will serve, only one day you will serve. Well, also not they believe God again. They say now God there now olden days matter be that. Don't be olden days matter. God na God. You hear me? God na God. You don't serve. Your husband will do election. They no call him back. He no quarrel. He was happy to hand over. Madam, you no follow your husband come for the same car. You no follow and come for the second car. You can't come late. This matter why I talk so now, Ebele now the address so. Ebele Obano now you are the address. Because the matter they do me for Bele one kind. Because you know if you do this kind of thing for military women association, governor wife, you know what they call governor wife? Not be local government chairman wife. Don't be market woman, no. Governor wife. They put a whole state for your hand. And they call you mama. Everybody they call you mama, mama, mama. You know, so when person don't they grow, what you do before you go to stop them. But your own, you know one stop them. You know follow your husband come. Number one offense. Number two offense, you know follow him come for the second car. You know they. You can't come late. Notice me. You can't come late and you can't wear notice me. What do you wear? Laba laba. They tell you when show you that cloth. What you say that cloth, you want to go that place. No be that cloth. You know walk. Na laba laba. Butterfly. As a governor wife, you're supposed to dress. You know they call and call that dressing. Bianca, where you go find. You know where you go slap. You know what you dress. Where you call a shower. You know see what how it dress. Now we say she respects herself. Our former president wife, patient. I'll make sure you name because me and my wife, so I feel call her your name. They dress according to the occasion. If na the dinner party, you go dress at dinner party. If na party for occasion, the woman go dress for a party for occasion, and they give her hand like this. All of them say, you know get skill, you know do this one, but her brain is part of the person who go school. Some market woman even better past you now. A whole governor wife, you dey go fight for side inauguration day. If the coming governor now, if he forgive you, now God dey belle. If he forgive you, because you want spoil your occasion. You want spoil your occasion that day. Now you've late come. You know follow your husband come. You know come the time. They still can't give you executive chair. No, your nyash no agree to sit down there. Now you waka. You want show them the labalaba where you wear. See me, na me the rain, I wear labalaba. Because of you now I wear red. Now danger. Subscribe. Call me. I go answer you. If na military wife, well, you know fit do more. You know fit. I think at that time, that attitude of secondary school, you see there for your body. Try. That young person body where you take go secondary school that time, see there for your body. My people, this is why they talk so I talk to Ebele so. If na this is a bad thing, make una write una comment. Any comment you that make una write. You say, Okuta, you know they hear whether rain fall or sun shine. If rain fall, bam, you go on for your body. Sun shine, you go shine am. Day dark. So anyway, any comment you write am. I go discuss am with you and I go answer you. I know the cost. Now me and you, because if not be you, my petrol go not finish. So make you subscribe. Put your comments. Put anything. Call me. I go answer you.
Hold on.
If you no want say you want call or you want put your suggestion, you want make your suggestion there for that place, just email boss me. Ma'am, just write am. As you both talk, email me. As you email me, I go reply you quick. You hear so my people. So now so I see they talk am they go. I know say people now talk say this kind thing. You know they If na military people, you know if it happen. If you want to know, ask Mama Dogoyaro. You know happen, they will call you for to order. But governor wife, you there for PDP, I there for APC. You they eat rice, me I they eat turkey. So we know be the same thing. We know we talk each other. Now make this thing they be like this. So I be think say whether you be APC or PDP, whether you don't comot, you are still ex-governor's wife. Ex-governor's wife. E good make Asha call you before you comot. Because they don't call you for order. You don't do this in 2019. Stop. Then you come out for your seat. They show now I count almost 10. You they show the crowd they go laba laba. Now make me wear this laba laba make you see. Your own laba laba be pass my own. But I wear for danger make you say now you I want to talk to a billion. No, some people will tell you say people go to clap for you say yes you slap and well you don't do much for them. But if na by time that the old day with that Ojukwu day you know fit do am. You know fit. You understand? You know fit. So that thing what you do, you are very, very wrong. Even though say she don't confide in you, say she no one come. Because say maybe in a different party or anything at all. Now somebody they confide in. That person now they give matter keep. Maybe he tell you say no one come. Oh, she no one come. Then you go there. You want put her you want pet and black. Where the new governor say, she said she no one come before. Now she don't they come. What she define? You know if he spoil her name. She don't make name for herself. Her husband don't make name. The family where she go marry put don't make name for her. She no go there, go take other hand. Come on, she go there, she bump picking put. So she be part of that family. I see they repeat her. If na bata way that the old day, which that the Ojukwu day, you know fit do am. You know fit. Your step, if you don't step reach 5, if you don't fit reach that place, if you don't fit, you think say you senior ram or be the same age, and so you fit do am anyhow. Na lie. He still there, he still bearing Mrs. Bianca Ojukwu. So Ojukwu family have right to fight for her. You understand? So the waka where you waka, the labalaba waka where you waka, you know waka and where. That tell that your sewing mistress, you know tell you your wardrobe girl or lady, they don't tell you what you wear, say you no work. You want go show off, then you go show off in the wrong way. That cloth no fit that occasion at all. You know be small pikin. Even children when they finish for secondary school, they do prom, they don't fit wear that kind of thing. They wear nice clothes will follow them. How much more you governor, ex-governor wife. Even you might not take ex command. You be governor wife that time, they never hand over. You go wear labalaba. You wear labalaba now. You go meet somebody where confide in you. You go tell and say she talk, say she know what she know they come. Why she can't come? So now the only way she can answer you, there's no point of her talking to you. Let me can give you slap. Shut up. Shut up. Her slap mean to you, shut up. So my people, this matter why they talk, concern you, because maybe next tomorrow, maybe na your mama or na your brother or na your wife, na one ex-governor wife will come slap, you don't know. So make we talk am now. As she just dey grab, make we talk am now, make we tell them, make they keep on cool temper. Because if you don't pass that stage where everybody don't they look onto you as, oh, governor wife, oh, our mama, you go change your behavior. If your behavior before they stink, change and make it good. Nobody when they talk I beg. No people when they get budget for your hand, when they get money for your hand. Now I say, yeah, Ebele she is the best. If you not be the best. You not be the best. So if they don't tell you, let me can't tell you today. Say the waka we waka that day. Na proko waka. You know say they call aproko waka. Aproko waka be say who dey talk lie, now you be. You want paint Bianca bath where the new governor dey, now make you go that time. You know say you no fit. Who get money, meet who get money. They know how they take they greet. Who no get money, come a person wey get money, you know see they take they greet. You know if you spoil Bianca for where the new governor dey. Now make that thing where you get her. No apology for it. Oh. Slap what they give you, I don't get apology for it because you deserve them. Because if you have where your labalaba come, you cross your leg as a governor wife, they will say, as a governor, don't take S command. You be governor wife that time, they never hand over. You go wear labalaba. You wear labalaba now. You go meet somebody where confide in you. You go tell and say she talk, say she know they come. Why she can't come? So now the only way she can answer you, there's no point of her talking to you. Let me can give you slap. Shut up. Shut up. Her slap mean to you, shut up. So my people, this matter why they talk, concern you, because maybe next tomorrow, maybe na your mama or na your brother or na your wife, na one ex-governor wife will come slap, you don't know. So make we talk am now. As you just dey grab, make we talk am now, make we tell them, make they keep on kulu temper. Because if you don't pass that stage where everybody don't they look onto you as, oh, governor wife, oh, our mama, you go change your behavior. If your behavior before they stink, change and make it good. Nobody when they talk ebele, I beg. No people when they get budget for your hand, when they get money for your hand. Now they say, yeah, ebele, she is the best. If you not be the best. You not be the best. So if they don't tell you, let me can't tell you today, say the waka we waka that day. Na aproko waka. You know say they call aproko waka. Aproko waka be say who they talk lie, now you be. You want paint Bianca bath where the new governor dey, now make you go that time. You know say you no fit. Who get money, meet who get money. They know how they take they greet. Who no get money, come a person wey get money, you know see they take they greet. You know if you spoil Bianca for where the new governor dey. Now make that thing where you get her. No apology for it. Oh. Slap what they give you, I don't get apology for it because you deserve them. Because if you have where your labalaba come, you cross your leg as a governor wife, they will say, as a governor wife. People who don't even know fashion too will say, if you see the dress where you wear, now your dress, now people say they describe it that they say you wear labalaba. You call labalaba butterfly. Now they say you wear. Now I think they say na labalaba. Somebody says, how you tell no? I say, I blend, I see am now. You dey work out for a market. You know that's masquerade. Google. Ayo. All of them. Like our get to, if you know Isham person, you call them Babone me. Now that can just they don't even wear that. Babone know they wear that kind one. Babone will wear fitting dress. We go make them dance well. You're old because you wear that kind of way you wear, they don't fit dance. That's your own now. Butterfly, laba. So, Ebele, make you go sit yourself down. No say this woman she dey curse me. No curse you, I just dey advise you. You understand? Because they say pikin wey no get papa get mama, if it's yesterday they advise the person wey get, he go listen. Make for the waste for that place, take some sense, put for your head. I dey advise you as a woman. You know she know me sha. I dey advise you as a woman. So because this advice I want give you, so if you want give person on counseling ground, then they pay. But I just give you free of charge. As I dey give you free of charge, when you go inside your house, put hand for your jaw, say, why everybody they blame me? Because of what thing you do. Let me then they blame you. Nobody talk about the slap again, no. Now what thing you do, now everybody talk about. Yeah, Ebele. I beg my people, make una put una comment. Subscribe, just press that red button. Mangala. I don't tell you. That finger will take press like this. Mangala. God go dey bless am all the time. My people. So I go leave you. Make I talk to Bianca. Bianca, oh, how are you? I know say you slap am. There's no apology. Me, I don't get apology for it. I no get. Because now she waka from her 10th chair, come meet you for what you did. She want paint you wrong for where the new governor did. But what I'm for tell you, say, now advice to me I want to give you. Not be everybody wear clothes. Not be body complete for. Some people wear clothes, some gadgets they inside. Some people wear clothes, they just come out for inside house, they no wear. Some people just take 20 tablets of medication before they come out for house. So, next time, my dear, Miss War, you know, say me, I know they call you your name, Miss War, my papa wife. Next time, no they slap another person. Now just advice. Because some people know the food error. So you won't eat, you go to sickness. Some no even see it. Some be say gadgets when they carry the waka, it plenty pass plenty. So my dear, I know say you vex because you only use that one to tell and make you shut up. Now make me wear danger today. Say make I tell her say make she shut up. Now make you slap her. No be say you really mean to slap her. I never see you dey fight before for street. You're not a street girl. For father's side, you come bang bang. When you come marry, you come bang bang. I give you this. But for slap her, I just tell her to say make you shut up. Next time on the slap person. Because you don't know who where, who know where. But my own matter for his side. Now you know say people will like you, will not like you. Maybe you like her before because of saying a governor wife, na young woman. Say you want take body near and small. And she say that she be everybody because say she be governor wife. They don't vote for her. And the man they vote for. And the man always take your umbrella, cover her. Now me they say every woman will get husband. Now her husband now be the crown waiting for her head. Now she be. Now make her enter governor house. Who for that sham? Tell me for that sham. So next time you can slap anybody. But one question when I want give you one task what you want to do. On that day, as now they do that matter, one man come, he say they separate. He take free hug. I think which one be free hug wey they take. You want to know that man because you still be Ojukwu property. You know divorce, you know good. You have free time to do anything you want to do. That one they run the man, they call him a shower. The best way they in your papa house. What did they do for that? Just now chef you be. Don't they cook, they sleep. Any woman with the man house, we don't reach adults, we don't break your virginity na shower. Any woman, as far as you don't born, you don't drop one engine. All of us na shower now. Because the man who you did for house, don't be your brother, not be your sister. You know before. So waiting fella say, waiting man and woman they do behind door. Nah, boy. Now the same thing. You will be governor wife, you they do them. They'll see you for outside. Even after you wear that balaba that day. As you go home, go say, governor, make I give you the last one before you go to America. But unfortunately, the whole governor. You be a shower. So don't let her pain you. You know, come up for Baba house, go to make a shower. Baba no dey alive again. Even though you want marry, you can marry. Nobody will stop you. So that's why they run a mouth like chewing gum. I shall. I don't see him mouth. I may see the picture. If they call woman, I shall old woman like that. Governor wife. You know if you do it for military session. You know fit. Go ask them, they go tell you. Senior Army Wife Association, you know fit. You know if you do this kind your laba catwalk where you walk out, go to meet person in the house and say, I thought you said you are not coming. What are you doing here? Let me give you pakata. Shut up. It's easy to say. She don't want to talk. Now her go tell you, shut up, Ebele. So why not that man when they gonna take free hug in the name of separating fight? Then that one might be the essay where I give you small on your findings, your research, quick. And we want now make una put una comment. I just did there yakata. I beg, If you like say my petrol won't finish, make una just subscribe. Bangala, as you subscribe, bangala, kaka. God don't bless your finger. Not be that. That finger will take press subscribe. You can't tell me say God bless and pass bless so that my petrol no go finish. Now me be na sister Princess Benedicta Okoje, alias Lady B. Talk as you see am. I want the add journal. I want the take come out. So Bianca, thank you, my dear. Next time you don't know say all those people there for that place, that state. Some of them don't like you. They are caucus of a belly. So fashi them. As Yoruba man talk, say fashi them. Now who they want give you? I been find the fine past you. You now, Baba the Baba Ojukwu wife. Na just ex-governor wife. That is different. Different day. The tree where elephant climb. Ant no the climber. That's how also can reach like this. Bianca, you can subscribe. If you want to leave your comments, email me, Facebook me, to YouTube me, anyone, I go answer your comments. Even so your comment na bitakola own, I go answer them. If na chewing-gum own, I go answer them. If na pepper soup own, no, welcome. Just subscribe. Not that bell, Mangana, I don't do. Thank you, my people. That's their own. That matter don't come out. Make una inbox me for that one. I want bring the one where they concern una well. We concern Nigeria. Now be this our man. What did they call himself? I don't feel remember his name. Whether Minister for Transportation or na Amechi and they call him good luck. Amechi, Minister of Transport. How you do? Listen to me. Let me be Miss Princess Benedicta Okoje. So, what I want to tell you today, Amechi, make you listen to me well. Minister of Transport, ROTIMI AMAECHI. You don't get so many names from different places. Now you get Hausa, now you get Yoruba, now you get Rivers. Good luck. But what I want to tell you today, now be this one. Make una, I put the picture for here. This man, now they talk to this man. Now be the Minister of Transport. Wetin happen, Oga Minister? You don't try. You say you go buy a train, come for Nigeria. Locomotive train where they don't paint upon paint. They use matter paint, use oil paint, everything paintable, paint am. Una kill and divide for inside. Nobody asks you. As in the paint, so you dey push and no, if only 1 year you don't go, at least you don't get train. Because you say you do train. But still yet, no safety. Each of the train station, now they build them inside bush. Why I no go get bandit? Last time una say una spend billion till validate bandit. Thief na thief o. Thief na thief. Oji. No bezen que no bioji de no masay. Oji. Thief na thief. Each of the train station, I was like, it's like you are coming down from a mountain, you are climbing up again. If I say that, I will tell you, say, if you want to make I go up, you go pay more money. I say, go more money if you want to go up. Yes. Because for you want, I want drop, for you want climb, it will be as say you from beneath they go worry. On a mud. Where una go obodo yibo, una go America, una go UK, una go even go Abuja, what do they call them, Dubai. Una see train, e waka, e fine. Una go enter. Una go wear una suit, una come wear una jacket, enter inside those train. Kenya for here, Kenya for here. If you see their train, you feel sleep for inside till where you dey go. Somebody will tell you, say, hello, madam. Are you getting there now? But our own, now, your life. Bah! Give me your money. Give me your money. Give me your phone. Give me this. Bye. Now we get. The train station, it be like desert. Warehouse there. If a train station for UK, you see staff, everywhere is complaint. You see security. We don't get security for that country. How much more say every police don't deal with minister. Like you now, you get more than 8 police. You get 8 police. Wife get 8 police. Every day when they travel, una read there. No they use una car. No they enter train. See UK. See train station. See Dubai. See all of them. When I show them one by one, when I show them their station. The least station I they show them. They never show them the ogbonge one. They don't wear outside of the line they show them so. If they show them the ogbonge one, I will faint. Camera there everywhere. One terminal say those people will come kill somebody now. How they will find them? Which camera don't they there? Which camera catch them? Who see them? You plan somebody for that person who want to go take picture, say in the way for bandit. I don't know why they call bandit. The other day, tell us to spend billion. Take revalidate. Oh God. That grammar big, Good. To revalidate those bandits. They can't learn work. Una can't they give them money. Can't they give them so many things. I can't say thief na thief. Killer na killer. Una think that they fool us. Now they fool themselves. Amechi, think about it. Yes, except say you be meant to sell out, you go stay for the life or live forever. You don't think say if you do good thing done, your children, grandchildren, great-grandchildren, they go enjoy them. No, they even think all those ones at all. It be like say now, the one wey just happen for Kaduna now. Now tell us that the band they say una don revalidate them. Make them say they don't they thief again, they don't they kill again. So this one wey go kill for Kaduna now, born again bandits, now they be born again, Abi, na born again bandit, I will call them, na born again bandit, now they be. Because you know you born again bandit, don't tell us say all those Boko Haram, all those this, all those that, the bandit, they don't tell them, they don't carry them come out, no more again. That small boy where they catch, they say Papa na be the head, Papa not there again. Now tell us say bandit safe. Minister of Information, your matter still there for inside though. Your matter dey inside. I will respect you as old man. I don't say when old man don't old, say no will get sense again. Honestly. I just say those your children, they for sit you down. They don't forget say one day you go you go give about present, sir. Your children go sit you there, make them tell you, make una put on there. While I sleep, they sleep. On my glasses, 9 day for grand no. Pass my own no. I don't know. Minister of Information, now they say you be. But you the informators with bad lie aproko matter. You go see black like this, you tell me say na white. Papa, grandpa, great grandpa. You go see white like this, you go tell us say na black. And tomorrow you say you go come out, you come the community again. How do they see you? Now make say what some of you now, when I don't come out for office finish, you now stay for his house. No children and let come out again. You know, say if somebody fit stay for his house under house arrest, his leg go get as he be, you come be like okporoko fish. Okporoko fish, if you don't burn finish, if you want burn, you go break. If you finish, if you do us like this finish, you carry your yakata, you go abroad. Now the code waiting for abroad over to you. I leave you for that. But remember, say, when I put you there, you say you want to take like as old as you are. Now see they tell us say no bandit, no toll gate killer, no this, no that. You think say we want believe say yes, not true. Who want talk? Now they fear. No be talk what they want talk. You hear me so? So Oga Minister of Information, make we go sit down now. Before some of them when they don't come out finish, they can say na so na for Duam, na so na for no for Duam. Why you no tell us when you dey for office? Somebody they can tell us now when they come now as a president or governor, whatever, say you can't give us light, no more generator. They don't dey for youth. The youth no day, youth no day. No, not be like that. You see, this is our country. You see, this is our country. He has come to stay. No one wants spoil them, and I go leave the country for the younger ones. So youth, I dey call all of you now. Amechi, make it like you spend 20 years for that. The day when you go come out too, we go probe you. You must be probed. All of now when they eat money, when they don't know, they go probe all of now. Why don't talk now? Say if you not give am the post where you want, you go leak secret. Not me talk more. Una go hear that later. He say that's one another story of your own. He say if they don't give am the post where you want, say you go leak one big secret for Senate or House of Rep or presidential. You go leak one secret. Well, no the kind person, no the person who he talks to. He talk am for their convention just of recent. He say all this one they do. If you don't give am the post where you want, no one give am wetin you want. You go leak secrets. And the secrets we don't know before. Nobody believe am. So you want leak am now because now in the inside caucus. See? Nigeria know. And let's say Nigeria no. So would they beg una say, make una ask Minister of Transport say, where is CCTV? Where they want to catch the people who can't do that kind of thing? CCTV there for the station. Each station supposed to get CCTV staff. We go to monitor them. Police, we don't get police again because all the police we get will be better police who want to use their mind, do better work. They there for Minister House, Governor House, local government chairman, House of Rep, Senator girlfriend, get police for a house where they guide them. So the one we call remain for inside station, no reach anywhere. And nobody want to enter police again because the kind way they see before they enter police, one, you go bribe. And you go buy your uniform. Their salary na emuvamuwa. So now Minister of Transport, now you see they talk to. So I beg una, Nigeria, make una subscribe. Many stories there. Una never hear. Now you say they don't put them for sky before anyway. You know they never hear. You see they cook. Now me they bring the food out. Because if I serve you palenyam, I go put ohele. I will tell what in your ohele mean later. If you inbox me, I go tell you. Just subscribe. Email me. Call me. WhatsApp me. Name it. Everything. As you call me, I go to answer you. Well. And I'm going to give you an update. Every time. 3 or 4 times in a week, I go to give you an update. My update go to come like this. Pia. God bless you.
Una time we mo we, usagi kwe, ni mae.